Put this in your house and you'll never see flies or mosquitoes again. Put this in your house and you'll never see flies or mosquitoes again in an hour. Summer showers and mild temperatures bring a swarm of mosquitoes. Did you know that mosquitoes and flies are most active when the temperature rises over 26 degrees Celsius? With so many diseases spread by mosquitoes, learning how to protect yourself and your family from these troublesome insects is essential. The mosquitoes and flies completely vanished when we tried this method. That is why we want to teach you this skill. But first, tell us which insects irritate you the most in your home. In today's video, you will discover how to manufacture a natural mosquito and ant repellent at home. Mosquitoes, while many people dislike them, perform a crucial part in nature. Instead of killing them, consider options to keep them away from your house or garden. Mosquitoes and flies can both be very bothersome, especially on hot days and at night. Learn about the components in this recipe that you may use to keep them out of your house for good. Because vinegar has an unpleasant odor for mosquitoes and ants, it is advised for scaring these insects away. Cloves, on the other hand, are high in eugenol, an insecticidal compound. It is a strong antiseptic and bactericide that repels insects and ants. Bay leaf, on the other hand, has a distinct odor that repels insects and inhibits them from reproducing. Isn't it amazing? Here are the ingredients for the recipe. 2 tablespoons of cloves, 2 bay leaves, half a cup of white vinegar, a glass of water. How to create the mixture. Boil the water in a saucepan with the cloves and bay leaves for 10 minutes. Allow it to cool after that. Strain it, then add the white vinegar and combine thoroughly. Put the solution in a spray bottle and you're done. Because it smells like cloves, you may use it to clean the dining table, the floor, the dishwasher, the counters, the sofa, and the area around the windows. Because mosquitoes dislike the fragrance of cloves, this will keep them away from your home. Try it out and then tell us what you think. Thanks for watching. If you learned something and enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more remedies, recipes and tips.